See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
This is one rich and strong man in his prime. In his prime, he was very strong, like Buhari, like Abacha, like those that are in power now. But look at his precious palace back then. Vanity upon vanity. His books, everything gone. Vanity world. You there, you are chopping now. You're gonna leave this world one day. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Now your time you go use. You no go use other people's time. Nothing lasts forever.
Wọ́n ti gbé bẹ̀yẹn fún Lautech. Kí ni àwọn hopes yín?
Ó wà òkè àìsàn belief náà ni pé àdúgbò máa develop ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa make sense for everybody. Gbogbo ibẹ̀ yẹn igbó ló wà tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ bó ṣe jẹ́ sìn. Wọ́n lè ṣe kó wà pa kí wọ́n ṣe hostel síbẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ yẹn. Ó sì make sense ó lè ran gbogbo wa náà lọ́wọ́ ládùúgbò.
Ọ̀rẹ́ sà. Ó pẹ̀lú.
Ìyáàfin Bọ́láńlé Ọlánìkè. Wọ́n ṣe pé ilé Akíntọ́lá fún Lautech ó fine torí pé àdúgbò wa ẹranko búburú ó wà pẹ̀.
Anyhow you like, make you do. Nothing lasts forever. You too, you'll be gone.